Eero Wi-Fi system review. The Eero Wi-Fi system can create a large seamless Wi-Fi network with reliable internet access. The hardware is well designed, easy to use, and you can use Amazon Alexa to pause internet, locate a connected device, and control a few settings of the system. The system is expensive, even for mesh network gear, not fast enough for bandwidth-heavy local tasks, and has minimal features. The bottom line: the Eero is super convenient and reliable for internet sharing, but you're better off going for a competing system that's cheaper and faster. First, checked out the Eero Mesh Wi-Fi system at its launch. A set of 3 identical hardware units working in tandem to deliver Wi-Fi coverage over a residential property. The Eero brought much-needed streamlining to home Wi-Fi installation, but I was put off by its high cost, among other things. A year later, the Eero's price remains the same. $499 for a set of 3, roughly converted to $690 or £350, or $199 for a single unit, $140 or £70, but the field of competing devices has grown. What's changed with the Eero since its release is the fact that after numerous software updates, many of which derived from data Eero has gleaned from its customers' real-world usage in the past year, the system is now slightly faster through a new approach to mesh networking Eero's company calls True Mesh. The Eero also now has Alexa integration and a much more polished mobile app. Between those updates and the expanded competitive field, it's time to give the Eero another look. At its core, the Eero remains a low-power Wi-Fi system, $346.35 at Amazon.com, that's easy to set up, and that delivers fast to mid-tier internet speeds around every room of your house, depending on the number of Eero units you install. While the Eero works well, and it has some useful features, I still find it hard to justify its